Your programs are about to get smarter. Time to unlock complete decision making. Today, we're transforming those simple if statements into complete if-else structures. We'll discover why else makes our programs way more user-friendly, build an awesome smart temperature advisor, and totally master the if-else pattern. Here's what's amazing about this week. Last week, we learned simple if statements. They were like detour signs that said, if the road is blocked, take this route. But what happened when the road wasn't blocked? We just kept going normally. This week, we're adding clear instructions for both paths. Let me show you the difference. Week 7 style only handled one case. If someone was old enough to vote, we told them. But if they weren't, nothing. Week 8 style handles both cases explicitly. We tell voters they can vote, and we tell younger people exactly when they'll be able to vote too. Check out this code. Now we have an else block that ensures we always respond to the user. See how it calculates exactly how many years until they can vote? No more silent programs. We're being helpful and complete. This is huge. The else block ensures we always respond to our user. No more silent failures where the program just does nothing. It makes our programs complete, professional, and super user-friendly. Time for something really cool. Let's build a smart temperature advisor that gives completely different advice depending on what the temperature is like outside. Here's our temperature advisor. First, we ask the user for the temperature. If it's over 35 degrees, we give a heat warning and safety advice. But if it's 35 or below, we tell them the temperature is manageable and to enjoy their day. Notice that last line? It always runs no matter which path we took. Let's nail down the if-else pattern rules. First, else must align perfectly with if, same indentation level. Second, else also needs that colon at the end, just like if. And third, you can only have one else per if statement. Think of it like a fork in the road. You can only go left or right, not both. Time for you to try. Look at this week 7 code. Can you figure out how to add an else statement to tell the user when their password is wrong? Take a moment to think about it. Perfect. We add an else block that tells the user their password was wrong and access is denied. Now our program responds helpfully in both situations, whether the password is right or wrong. Amazing work! You've just mastered complete decision making. Remember, if else handles both true and false cases explicitly, else blocks make our programs user-friendly and complete. Else must align perfectly with if and needs that colon, and we can only have one else per if statement. Next up, handling multiple choices with elif.